Original classic. Original classic. Original classic. Original classic.
Alright, day 2. Today we're going to test fit the airlines. So you can see I'm probably going to drill a hole somewhere around here, feed the airline through here, tuck it into this thing, come around all the way, and then back through the firewall and into the car. Alright, just finished plumbing all the lines in. So, lines go right here, underneath the carpet, around underneath here, and then I got them tucked into this thing right here. Today, I actually cut out the trunk kind of board. It doesn't fit too good, so I'm going to trim just a little bit off of here. Yeah, that's what's going to look like in the back. Alright, it's in. Now I'm going to try to feed the airlines all through this hole here. Alright, let's start off by bolting down the tank. 4 bolts. I already pre-drilled the holes, so it should be pretty easy. Alright, so now I'm just going to grab each line and it'll say which bag goes in which slot here. Alright, it's bolted in, solid, looks pretty good. Alright, now I'm going to bolt down the compressor to the board.